it is raining very hard outside today. I am very wet and cold.
Yes, the weather changed very quickly this afternoon. I barely saved my guitar from the rain.
You have a guitar? That is a very beautiful instrument.
Thank you. My name is Oliver, and I play in the park nearby.
I am Emma. I am a teacher at the local school. It is nice to meet you, Oliver.
It is nice to meet you too, Emma. This cafe is very warm and cozy.
I like the smell of roasted coffee beans here. It makes me feel much better.
Let's look for a small table for two. All the chairs near the window are busy.
There is a tiny table in the corner. It is perfect for a quiet conversation.
I will take my guitar off my back. It is quite heavy when it is wet.
You can put it on the floor next to your chair. I will put my umbrella in the stand.
What would you like to drink today, Emma? I think I want a large hot chocolate.
A hot chocolate sounds very sweet and tasty. I will have a peppermint tea.
Peppermint tea is very good for the throat. Musicians drink it very often.
I drink it when I talk too much in my classes. My students love to ask many questions.
Smiling. That is because they want to learn from you. Teaching is a great profession.
And playing music is a great gift for people. Do you write your own songs?
I write simple melodies about the city in the rain. Today I have a new idea.
I would love to hear your music one day, maybe when the sun is bright again.
I usually play near the big fountain on Saturdays. You are welcome to come and listen.
I will be there for sure next week. I love live music in the open air.
The waiter is coming to take our order now. He looks very busy.
Hello, 1 peppermint tea and 1 hot chocolate, please.
And can we have 2 small lemon cakes as well? I'm a bit hungry.
Lemon cakes are my favorite dessert in the world. They are so sour and sweet.
I agree. They go very well with a warm drink.
Look at the rain on the glass window. It looks like small silver beads.
It is a very poetic sight for a rainy day. I'm glad I'm not outside.
I am glad too, Oliver. It is nice to find a new friend in the rain.
Nature has a funny way of bringing people together.
Our drinks are here and they look beautiful. The hot chocolate has a lot of cream.
Yes, it is very thick and dark. Your tea has a very fresh green color.
I can smell the mint from here. It is very relaxing for my mind.
Here is your lemon cake, Emma. It has a little white flower on top.
It is almost too pretty to eat. The baker is a real artist.
Every job has its own kind of art. You teach with art, and I play with art.
That is a very deep thought for a Saturday. You are a philosopher, Oliver.
I spend a lot of time thinking while I watch people in the park.
What do people do when they hear your guitar? Do they stop and listen?
Some people stop for a minute and smile. Others are in a big hurry.
Children must love your music very much. They are very honest listeners.
Yes, children often dance or try to touch the guitar strings. It is very funny.
I use songs to teach my students English verbs. It helps them remember the words.
To sing, to play, to dance. Those are the best verbs in the world.
I agree. They make life very bright and happy.
Is your book interesting, Emma? I saw you reading it when I came in.
It is a book of old folk tales from different countries. I love magic stories.
Folk tales often have very beautiful and simple lessons.
My favorite story is about a girl who could talk to birds. She was very kind.
I have a song about a bird that lived on a skyscraper. He was very lonely.
Does the bird find a friend in your song? I hope it has a happy ending.
Yes, he finds a cat that also likes music. They become a very strange team.
That is a very creative story for a song. You should write a book for kids.
Maybe one day I will do that. For now, I just play my guitar.
The lemon cake is so delicious. The cream is very soft and light.
My hot chocolate is perfect too. It is not too sweet, just right.
The rain is stopping a little bit now. I can see some light in the sky.
The clouds are moving away to the north. The sun will return soon.
I love the smell of the earth after the rain. It is so fresh and clean.
It is the best time for a walk in the park.
Do you play any other instruments besides the guitar?
I can play the harmonica a little bit. It is easy to carry in my pocket.
A harmonica has a very soulful and lonely sound. It is perfect for blues music.
Exactly. I use it when I want to play a sad melody.
Music is a very powerful way to show your feelings.
I play when I am happy and I play when I am sad. It is my best friend.
I feel the same about my books and my poems. They are always there for me.
Do you write your own poems, Emma? You have the soul of a writer.
I write small poems in my diary every night. It is my private hobby.
You should share them with someone one day. Words are meant to be heard.
I am a bit shy about my writing. It is not as good as your music.
I was shy too when I started playing in public. My hands were shaking.
How did you find the courage to stand in the park?
I just closed my eyes and thought about the melody. The people didn't matter anymore.
That is a very brave thing to do. I admire your confidence, Oliver.
We all have a light inside us, Emma. We just need to let it shine.
You are very inspiring today. I will try to read a poem to my class.
That is a great start. Your students will be very proud of their teacher.
I hope so. They are very supportive and kind.
Would you like to see my guitar? I can show it to you here.
Yes, please. I want to see the wood and the strings.
I am opening the case carefully. This guitar is very old and special.
The wood is a very dark and rich brown color. It looks very expensive.
My grandfather gave it to me when I was 10 years old. It has a soul.
You can see the history in the small scratches on the surface.
Every scratch is a memory of a different city or a different song.
It is more than an instrument. It is a piece of your life.
I'm glad you understand that, Emma. Not everyone sees it that way.
I am a teacher, so I look for the story behind everything.
And I am a musician, so I look for the rhythm in every story.
Have you traveled to many countries with your guitar?
I traveled around Europe last summer. I played on the streets of Paris and Rome.
Paris must be very romantic for a street musician. Did you see the Eiffel Tower?
Yes, I played in the gardens nearby. The people were very generous and friendly.
I want to visit Paris one day. I want to see the old art galleries.
The Louvre is a very big and amazing museum. You need 3 days to see it all.
I love the paintings of the Impressionists. They use so much light and color.
My music is a bit like an Impressionist painting. It is about feelings and light.
That is a very beautiful comparison. I can see the connection now.
Where would you like to travel next, Emma? Do you have a dream destination?
I want to go to the mountains in Switzerland. I love the clean air and the silence.
The mountains are great for thinking. The echoes there are very long and clear.
I want to live in a small wooden house for a week. No phones and no computers.
That sounds like a perfect vacation for a busy teacher.
I would spend the whole day reading and walking in the forest.
And I would spend the whole day playing my guitar for the trees.
The birds would be your best audience in the mountains.
I think birds are the best critics of music. They know when a note is wrong.
You are very funny, Oliver. I like your sense of humor.
Life is better when you can laugh at yourself.
I am finishing my peppermint tea now. It is still a bit warm.
My hot chocolate is empty too. I feel very warm and happy now.
The cafe is getting very quiet. Most people left after the rain stopped.
I like the quiet moments in a cafe. You can hear the steam from the machine.
It is a very peaceful sound. It feels like a small world inside.
We are very lucky to be here today. It was a good choice to enter this door.
I agree. I was going to another shop, but the rain pushed me here.
Sometimes the rain knows better than we do.
You should write a song about this cafe and the 2 drinks on the table.
I have the title already, Peppermint and Chocolate.
Do you have any brothers or sisters, Oliver?
I have one younger sister. She is a dancer in a theater.
Talent runs in your family. Do you ever perform together?
Sometimes we do a small show for our parents on Christmas.
That sounds very lovely. My family is very quiet and academic.
Do they support your dream of being a writer?
They think it is a nice hobby, but they want me to be a serious teacher.
You can be both, Emma. A serious teacher with a creative soul.
I am trying to find the balance every day. It is not always easy.
Don't let other people choose your path. Your heart knows the way.
Thank you for the advice. I feel very encouraged after our talk.
I'm happy to help. Musicians and teachers are very similar people.
How are we similar? One is loud and the other is quiet.
We both want to share something important with the world.
That is a very true and beautiful point. We both share knowledge and beauty.
Look at the waiter. He is starting to clean the other tables.
It is almost evening. The day went by very fast in this cafe.
Time flies when the conversation is good and the tea is hot.
I should probably go home and prepare my lessons for Monday.
And I should go and check my guitar strings before the next show.
I will come to the park on Saturday to hear you play.
I will look for your yellow doshchuvik in the crowd.
I will be in the front row, I promise.
I will play a special song for you, Emma, the one about the cat and the bird.
I am really looking forward to that. It sounds very fun.
Here is my phone number if you want to know the exact time of the show.
Thank you, Oliver. I will send you a message on Friday.
I am putting my guitar back into the case now.
And I am closing my book and putting it in my bag.
Let's walk to the exit together. The air is very fresh now.